Good morning, everyone. It's Mr. Alexander here with another story time. Today, because we keep getting interrupted by my cats, I decided I'm going to read a book about one. So today we are doing My Cat Looks Like My Dad by Thao. And if you look closely, that does look like my cat. And about a few months ago, the shagginess goes along with it. So it's close enough. So hopefully we get interrupted by my cat now that we're tempting fate. So let's get started right away. My cat looks like my dad. My cat looks like my dad. They both love milk, in this case oat milk, and sardines. Ew. Pro tip, people at home, sardines are great and they're great for you. You should totally eat all of them. Oh, and put up, oh, yeah. My cat loves belly rubs, and so does my dad. My cat and my dad always start their mornings with stretches. Who else thinks that that stretching outfit is really snazzy? Oh, also true. And their afternoons with naps. Get good. Yeah, that's the Mr. Alexander household right there. My cat is afraid of heights. Yeah, Yuki's a scaredy cat too. Oh, my dad is also afraid of heights. True, 100%. But look at that shirt. My dad is a great singer. Not true for Mr. Alexander. My cat thinks he's a great singer. You see the... Yep. Mom is always picking up after my dad and my cat. Sorry. And neither of them replaces the toilet paper roll. To be fair, I absolutely do, but the cat, nope. They are both brave some of the time. Wouldn't you run away too if there's a skunk? I'd run away if there's a skunk, even though they're apparently quite cuddly. They can make you super stinky. I don't want to be super stinky. I can do that on my own. Oh, here's a real true one. They both love boxes all of the time. Yep. Yep. My cat looks like my dad. And me, I look like my mom. Did you guys catch this twist going on? We both have wild hair. Our eyes are the same color. We both love to dance. And did you guys notice in the illustrations who the narrator might be? Mom and Dad always say, family is what you make it. Should I have done that book in a bird voice? You probably don't want to hear me do a bird voice. It probably isn't very good. But this was My Cat Looks Like My Dad by Thao. A nice little short one today. So I will see you in a couple weeks. Thanks for joining. As always, I'm Mr. Alexander, and I will see you soon.